How to download Airbnb application on your Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download Airbnb application on your Android. So it's a simple process. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you're logged into your account. And from over here, just select the search bar and click on search bar section at the top. And now I will simply searching for Airbnb just like this. And once you're searching for that, you need to click on this logo, that is second option, that is Airbnb official application. And for your confirmation, it has over 100 million plus downloads. So it's the application where you can easily book your hotels, rooms, and different places such as your restaurants. So now to simply install it, just tap on this install button over here, and based on your internet connection, it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your device successfully. So once it gets downloaded, all you have to do is just tap on this open button over here to successfully open the application just like that, and just create your account from over here, and then you should be finally successfully logged into your account. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.